Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: the dangers of narrow-mindedness in business and the benefits of strategic thinking. I'm your host, and together, let's explore why using the excuse, "I have always done it this way," can be detrimental to your success. So, grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss this episode. Have you ever encountered someone in the business world who stubbornly clings to the phrase, "I have always done it this way"? It's frustrating, isn't it? Well, today, we're going to dive deep into this narrow-minded mindset and shed light on why it's crucial to break free from it and embrace strategic thinking. Let's start by acknowledging that change is an inevitable part of any industry. What worked in the past may not necessarily work today or in the future. Yet, some people remain trapped in their comfort zones, using this excuse to resist change. But here's the harsh truth: complacency can be the downfall of a business. Strategic thinking, on the other hand, allows us to adapt, innovate, and seize new opportunities. By developing and implementing a well-thought-out strategy, we can navigate the ever-evolving business landscape with confidence. So, let's explore some of the benefits of strategic thinking. Adaptability. By adopting a strategic mindset, we become adaptable to change. We proactively assess market trends, customer needs, and emerging technologies. This flexibility enables us to adjust our approach, refine our processes, and stay ahead of the competition. Competitive advantage. Strategic thinking gives us a competitive edge. Instead of being reactive, we proactively identify and exploit opportunities. We differentiate ourselves from others in the industry, which can lead to increased market share, customer loyalty, and ultimately, higher profits. Long-term vision. When we strategize, we develop a long-term vision for our business. We set clear goals and outline the steps needed to achieve them. This vision acts as a guiding light, ensuring that we stay focused, motivated, and aligned with our purpose. Innovation and creativity. Strategic thinking encourages innovation and creativity. It prompts us to challenge the status quo, explore new possibilities, and find unique solutions to problems. By embracing strategic thinking, we create an environment that fosters innovation, benefiting both our business and our customers. Now that we've explored the benefits of strategic thinking, let's discuss how we can break free from the narrow-minded mentality that hinders our progress. It all starts with a willingness to question our current practices and embrace change. Instead of clinging to the past, we must adopt a growth mindset. This means being open to new ideas, seeking diverse perspectives, and continuously learning and improving. Remember, the most successful businesses are the ones that embrace change and adapt proactively. And that's a wrap for today's episode. We hope this discussion has inspired you to challenge the excuse of, "I have always done it this way," and embrace strategic thinking in your business. Remember, the world is evolving rapidly, and it's essential to stay agile and innovative. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep strategizing, keep innovating, and remember, success comes to those who dare to break free from the limitations of the past. Take care, and see you in the next video.